individual pastors bayirukirire as a board of Christ in the region, naitwe tugenda kusera inkeitu ko kutukora mu structures zaitu no kuetoreja kweka kiro cyo kusendekereza tuicha kuba tuine financial report tusobora kuha as a team or as a body of pastors in the region. Ni malira maeneo ninye tumitiriza ebikuruwanisa abantu bera umuntu nakurora kimu na meza omubere na tutuka takwenda kurora takwenda no kwira haiha akakwigameraho really ndufaki no imuke kiro hakaramura no kayihuruza ho isem kantu sera foot mukaga haisatu habwacho tahumuru bwaranyaga anyage icyo rasigaza nicyo kiyawe ninsaba tugaruke mu nteko tuliyo tusendekereza twenda kura ntuganya akuba kura Bible nekikereza oba nosumuruka owarayenda kurare wayenda kusemererwa asemererwe baito kindu kubanza kiri inti twikirize ebitwinabyo bitumali tekanisa omutima wawe horo eno bino byange tokugenda kubiri okabimara abokuba taniwo wokubanza taniwo kumalira ninsaba omwoyo gwarali kigambo mukama aguhe kihumuro icyabutekanirize. Thank you.
Mukisa Barisa olubazo luno lwokubera lukingaho embazo kandi limanyi obwire abananyijuca babera arali haro bantu kumanya nokumanyira baitu twineho owa kukora rundi wa kukura human rights basaliza arali kano akiki kwe bali kubaho mukama kongeza muranganya ni manya bengi bali munda na heru baitu nibebaho mukama itasimwe baitu munyikirize ninyikiriza mukama and the kingdom omusuga kamurasi aija baze kigambo kim rundi bibiri tuli nawe webali kwija netukingaho embazo. Habari aheru abebitinesa mu ndengo zona tubamanyirire kandi mwebali kubaho no kubayo.
Nikirize mbali za hano tilikutemba hawa kama.
It's okay.
Kwa nina sikle. Waitu kanisa ya Kristo erkwebemberwa Pastor Ogola amabara gange iyo Charles Kamurasi kandi ndi hano umwibara rya Transenjo Kamoto abana omugezi arali kigambo kandi abamu mbalizege nabo kiro kyejo kitumba abasita kati asemerera okuhurra kano basaliza kiki uli hano ohanga asimu muno naiwe Bishop anyakula hano kandi ondukumanya kurungi muno akiki Ruhanga ibale kwija kuleta omukanisa muno okwijuka ebirungi byona ebyomugenzi arali kigambo yakozere. Emyenda ya Toro na Uganda yona abali hano kubanza kwabyona ningoza kusima waitu Pastor Ogola nungo kubanza kutangana tinkumanyire kandi nasemererwa muno mpura radio robaze bigambo ebirikuombeka ekanisa ya Kristo omukama gwatu twara umugisa guno wibara lyarukira abasajja omukama wa Toro anya kuntumire kwija hano kandi nakiro kyejo mbairege omukayo omugenzi arali kigambo nabali natunga omugisa kurora abana omusajja emanzi omwana wa Toro kandi nikyo kindesera hano kwija kubibazo mwibara lyarukira abasajja omukama wa Toro ningonza kuleta okuganyira hari eka n'abana n'abarungi abo mugenzi arali kigambo omugenzi arali kigambo nuwomo habana ba Toro hano owataliyeba taliyeba kandi nikyonyiziri in a big way to salute ebirungi omwana wa Toro nu ebyakozere kusima Ruhanga kandi nikusima Pastor Ogola kurora oizira hano aba pastors abandi kwija kusabira omwoyo umugenzi arali kigambo okufwa umugenzi Reverend Richard Baguma aine bigambo byabazaga ngo okufwa kiragiro kya mukama kandi mukama gwagamba saa nomo agarukamo baitu ningonza kubaza ikigambo kino kandi ninkibaza haloho engabwe nungi ya government ya human rights kano basaliza akiki Ruhanga yebale ubaira hano kandi nyonyizira hano okwija okuganyira kurugari rukira abasajja omukama kandi na sasa n'abana omugenzi kigambo hano waitu akiki basaliza n'enganda nyakaganda zone zira hano za Toro ninja kubazaho ekigambo kyokufa omugenzi kigambo
omugurusho tagenda hano muno muri ebi bagenda kubaza tuli mukanisa ebindi turabaliza.
Yes, tuli mukanisa baitu tube ba mazima hano myenda ya Toro ingakula hano sasa
please
kama ni sasa wetu pastor
mukanisa mwenye church. Yes. I will remove that microphone
kale wetu otyo muno wetu webale muno oyangire kuhure ebigambe birugire mu ntale yarukira abasajja omukama yitwa hano tukiriza mukama bwa Toro kandi omwana wa Toro afwire kubi muno tatungire buyambi nicyo dukulenga kugamba pastor. I'm very sorry pastor, bear with me. Toro will not like you if I go start talking these things because
I'm saying be brief in your communication.
Yes, I'll be very brief.
You'll have a...
And you have given me a chance to speak.
Can you
Please bear with me. Unless you are denying, tukira basaijo mukama baze bigambo nati no borabo gichwireho otale no kimanya oli mukama bwa toro kandi tusobora kwangira habo kuba haroho omwana wa toro wabere nasoma mu kanisa yawe eyamahano kandi enyakusemizi yowe kuija hanu kabaze bigambo Rohanga asimwe onyangirire kubaza ebigambo bino baitu abatoro basalirwe waitu human rights kano basalizo ole hano hakiki oli muntu mukoto muno mu government nabweke kanisa eyangirire lukira basaijo mukama kubaza ebigambo bino Mr. Ogola malirizi kali Rohanga ahumuza rali kigambo umusingi.
Amen.
Onyangirire kubaza kandi tutukwija to respect you.
Amen.
Kama angiriza.
Dear mourners,
abayirukirize,
I gave opportunity
mperero mugisa
and respected the cultural institution.
kana tamwekitinisa abeyemerwa.
I don't need permission from the kingdom to preach the gospel.
Tinikwetaga okuragirwa okuruga omubukama okutebeza enjiri.
And where you are seated, no one pays for the rent of this place.
Nambere mwikalire kusanya kusasura arenti.
It was my own humility to allow him to speak. He was not part of the program.
Bubeire buntu bwange okumwikiriza okubaza baitu abeire ataragenderwa.
I respect the kingdom.
Nentamu obukama ekitinisa.
It is up to you. If you feel you're offended, you can walk out and go.
Iwe obukura otabani osobora kubata ukagenda.
We came here to talk about the good things that Aran has done, and that is the main thing that we should have concentrated on.
Twizere kubazaho ebirungi ebyarari akozere kandi ekyo nicyo twakutire esera.
I don't want you to let me lose my cool.
Gonza mundetereze
because you don't know what these children are going through.
Timumanyire ekyo abaana bano barukora.
Are you hearing me?
Mpura.
People have the courtesy to come and speak.
Abantu bayine amaani okwiza bakabaza.
But the 4 years we've been with Arali that is lying here,
Baitu emyaka ena ekitubeire na Arali anyakubyamira omaiso gaitu hano.
none of the people making noise outside there knew how he ate, how he slept, and how he survived.
Busa omuntu arwamanyaga Arali okuyararaga, okuyaryaga, kandi n'obumeze bwe okubuli.
The best thing we should have done, I thank God for the kingdom and I respect the kingdom.
Nisima Ruhanga habwo bukama kandi imputamu ekitinisa.
They reached his residence.
Bakipekire omukikaro ki rundi omukayi.
The years he has been in Toro and all that he has done.
Emyaka eyabeire omutoro n'ebyo byona ebyakoze.
He would have passed on some time back.
Yokubeire akafa ebiro ebyenyima ebi.
But in the few years, what you have seen has just been there. What we'd be talking about would be how do we complete the house and leave the children in a better place.
Ekitukubeire tubazaho nuko ntumaniriza tuta enzu ye kandi tukareka abana be omukikale.
Look at all these accolades.
Hatorora bino byona emedali eno yona
They are lying here.
ebyamera hano
They stay in church.
ikara hano mu kanisa.
He has made a name for the kingdom.
Akoze libara habo bukama na toro yona.
Mumukolireki.
What have you done for him?
This casket lying here.
Esanduke enyakubyamera hano.
The church is just paying 1 million, and the funerals they need 2 million.
Ekanisa
They're still looking for.
Ekanisa nesasora milioni negya kusasora milioni
Has paid for the casket.
kandi naba
Niye saswire esanduku.
amen.
But the funeral rights people are still needed to travel from here to Chenjojo.
Abakwebembera ebyokuziika bayina okugenda kuruga hanu paka Chenjojo.
Which contribution has been made?
Kwirukirwaki okoze.
I see musicians.
Nindora abazini.
Kigambo has organized 3 ceremonies, big ceremonies in Toro.
Kigamba tekanize emikoro emirundi esatu ey'amaani mu Toro.
Invited people to come.
Naraliza abantu okuyita.
To see his children go through school.
Okurora abaana be ne basoma.
I want to appreciate Bishop of Church of Uganda.
Ningonza okusiima omurolerezi wa Church of Uganda Tarhanu.
Out of the so many bishops in this region and the political leaders, is the only man that one time attended the carrier courts and all seats were empty.
Hali abakuru abarolerezi n'abebyendema bona nuwe musaida wenka weyizire mu carrier courts yabaha mukoro gwa Kigamba.
Bishop
Robeni Bishop.
I respect him as a man of God.
Ni mutamu ikitinisa musaida wa Muhammad.
He organized another one in Buhinga.
Akatekaniza omukoro gundi Buhinga.
How many politicians, cultural leaders, and other people were there?
Babyendema bayigaha n'aba ebyemerwa ababireyo.
He has books that have been lying in the church here.
Aine bitabu ebibeire byamero mu kanisa muno.
I'm a graduate with 2 degrees.
Nyowe nyina degrees 2.
But Kigambo did not even finish P7 certificate. He did not have it.
Kigambo we ne kizamu rundi ekirengese kya musanzu atakikoli.
He had always testified here every day.
Buli kiro akera kuhabwa akaiso hano.
But he, in 4 years has been with us, he had written 5 books.
Omu myaka ene yabeire hanaitu ahandikire ebitabu 4.
5 books.
Ebitabu 4 aberata 5.
I have around 5 books and none has come out yet.
Nyonye ne ebitabu 5 binakahandika beitu na kimu tikikaturuka.
But such a brain.
Beitu obwongo bukusana buti.
That's why I told you I didn't want you to take me out of the situation we're in church, and I wanted us to end peacefully.
Nikyo mbagambire oruganda mutanya moyo ngonza tumalirize kurungi.
Kigambo would have died.
Kigambo yokubeire n'okufa akafiira.
You had a song Mukama ya mwesemereza. What has happened was not the first time.
Ekyo kibaireho tiguli mulundi gwokubanza.
Actually, other times were even worse.
Emirundi endi kikana okuyungurana nikiyungurana.
But when you hear people who are making noise, they even don't know how he was always going to hospital, even how he was in hospital, what he was eating, how he was sleeping.
Baitu abantu abandi abakubaza bakabatamanyire nkanuko yagenda mwirwa kanuko yagendaga mwirwa okuyabyamaga n'okuri okuyalyaga.
I will not take much time because my gospel have always had it on radio unless you are new in Toro. So I will not preach much today, but allow me speak my heart now and we shall end and we proceed to change it.
Tinkwiza kubaza bingi habwo enjiri yange mukera kugihura ha radio rundi buri orabule mugeyi beitu munyikirize ninda kutereza obugufu.
Why do you always want to use a sad moment to fulfill your political or whatever motives you want to achieve?
Habwaki buli kasumi mugonzo okozesa akayira kebizibu okwikiriza ebigendwa byanyu emukweta.
So,
habweki
let this message go to everyone that is making noise outside there.
leka buli gubuno obukwenda bugenda habulyomu aruliyo natoka aheruo.
If you open your mouth to speak, bring your contribution towards the send off of Arali.
Oraba nogonzo kubaza leta okuyukira kwawe hakusendekereza okwarali.
I don't mince my words and I have no apology.
Ebigambo byange tindukubenenamu kandi tindukusaba kiganyiro nangu.
We have so many musicians who are now loitering around making noise. Whenever he made the shows, how many showed up that are here?
Hara abazini nyamwingi
Nebenda kwandaza omubiri gwarali amba bakutware kunu bakutware habati mutaramurorerira cyane mu mezi habati mutaremerire nawe uyakoraga emikoro ye. If I had authority after here, I wouldn't have loved the board of Arali to go anywhere else. Should go back to Chenjojo as we prepare to send him off tomorrow.
singanye n'obusobozi
Sente mukukozesa mulihambeho mulinka muteretoko habati mutazireta to and we see how we send him off. So let this message go to everyone,
leka obutumwa buno bugendere bulyo
from the kingdom to the lowest person.
okuruga habukama mpaka hamuntu owahansi.
We would have left this place,
Kino ekikalo tokubena okuruga hano turugireho
but unproductive noise everywhere. People from Kampala, they did not care for him. Did you care for him? If they didn't care for him,
abantu etoko abantu Kampala iwo kamurorera baraba bataramurorerire.
I want to appreciate Buhinga Hospital and the doctors
Ningonzo kusima irwaro lya Buhinga n'abasaho
for what they were able to do
habwekyo ekibasoboire okukola
to save the life of our brother.
okujunira obwomezi bwa mugenzi waitu.
No one is perfect in this world.
busahanya kuhikirira omunsi muno.
I'm not saying everything is right there,
Kugamba ngo buli kimu kyona kihikire,
but he passed on when I was there.
akafa obu nkabandiyo rundi ndo.
Pastor Jackie is the one who went with him.
Omulisa Jackie no yagenzere nawe.
We finished the overnight here together. He was my interpreter. He interpreted up to morning, the whole night.
Tukamara okusaba okwekiro kiro kya katano no yale na mpindura kuruga rwebaju paka nyenchakara.
We bid each other farewell here.
Hata hanu twaragangana.
And at around 1, he always drove himself actually to the hospital. There is no time someone has gone to pick him from home. He would drive himself.
Yevugaga okurugamuka okugenda mwirwaro buli kasumi.
So he drove himself to Sarah's clinic.
Akevuga yagenda mu kliniki ya Sarah.
But when the situation was not well, she called all the pastors, those who are here, all we have been a family. He called her and she ran and she was with her. From there she took her to the hospital to heal her.
Obuyabaire kubi akatero mulisa Jackie yagenda nawe bamutwara mu irwaro Ruhinga.
You don't just reach there and they do an operation.
Toru kumara gahikaho bakakusemeza.
They asked for the blood, they asked for everything. She did it.
Bakakaguza, bakasabwa umusai, bakaguza byona akabikora.
Whatever was required.
Byone bikane byetakisibwa.
Before they would do an operation.
Batakamusemize.
This was the third time.
Guno gukabuli murundi gwa kasatu.
Having the obstruction.
Natunga ekyendo kwesebwa.
And the other 3 times were even worse.
Emirundi eri esatu iye kabehingura inena muno.
He would take around 3 days, 5 days in the hospital from Maranatha to Virika to Kavarole, then finally to Buhinga.
Yatwaragiye bironka 45 ari mu irwaro Maranatha, Buhinga, Misani, hati onga kumalira bamutwara Buhinga.
But this incident, it was just in hours.
Beitu hati kino ekibeiro kikabaho musaha konka.
All pastors were there, I was there.